You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast from SDC International Shipping. I'm your host, and today we're heading inland to California's Central Valley to talk about a topic that's more timely than ever, moving overseas from cities like Fresno, Bakersfield, and beyond. Now, when people talk about international shipping, they often picture LA or San Francisco, but let me tell you, some of the most inspiring, determined, and globally minded clients we serve come from right here in the Valley. From farmers and small business owners to teachers, retirees, and tradespeople, more Central Valley residents are packing up for a new life abroad. Whether it's heading back to family in the Philippines, starting a new job in Canada, or retiring to Mexico or Spain, the journey begins with a simple question: who's going to help me move my life across the ocean? At SDC International Shipping, we've got the answer. We built a system that works seamlessly for inland movers, whether you're coming from a farm, a gated community, or a downtown apartment. Here's what makes Central Valley relocations unique. You're far from the coast, so inland freight matters. You might be shipping more than furniture. Think welding tools, farm gear, or a classic car. You may live in areas with tight roads or rural access that requires serious planning, and that is what we do best. We coordinate the trucks, time the packing around your schedule, and handle every last document so that your belongings and your peace of mind arrive together. Our crews are already in the valley. That means we know the landscape, literally. We've seen it all. Steep driveways, heat-sensitive electronics, antique furniture from rural areas, and every time we treat it with care. We also offer custom crating, climate-aware packaging, and storage solutions if your new home abroad isn't quite ready yet. Now let's talk about what people are shipping. You name it, we've moved it. From woodworking tools and food truck equipment to musical instruments and vintage motorcycles. These aren't just things, they're part of your livelihood. And we make sure they arrive safe, secure, and ready to start your next chapter. And listen, we've all heard the horror stories, missed pickups, delayed shipments, surprise changes. These often happen when folks hire brokers who don't understand what it takes to move from inland California. One family told us their mover couldn't reach them because the GPS led them down a dirt road. Another client had a custom delay because their shipment paperwork was incomplete. At SDC, we don't let that happen. Our inland coordination is precise, and our documentation is bulletproof. We've got real experts, not call centers, and we'll stay with you from quote to delivery. Here's what one client had to say. We moved our household and a motorcycle all the way to the UK. SDC packed everything like it was priceless. We couldn't be happier. That's what we love to hear and what we strive for every time. So if you're in Central Valley and planning an international move, don't think you have to do it from LA or San Francisco. We bring global relocation right to your driveway. Here's what we offer. Full service packing and custom crating, inland transportation to Oakland or Long Beach, short and long-term storage, expert custom paperwork and coordination, door-to-door international delivery. Request your free quote at SDC International Shipping or give us a call at 877-339-0267 to speak with a specialist who knows the Central Valley. Because with SDC, you're not just moving from California. You're moving with a California company that moves the world.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.